All right, Jeff, Concrete the Right Way. We got a new truck in our fleet, and we're going to build some boxes, stake bins, stuff like that. We got to alter it a little bit. The bed's not the best to work with, so we got to make things work because we have the truck, and that's what we got to use. We're going to kind of show you how we do it. Maybe you'll learn a couple things, or maybe you can point out a couple of my flaws so I can learn something. Give us a like, subscribe if you haven't. Really appreciate it. This is the new truck. The bed's only 9 foot. So we don't have a lot to work with. Our typical beds are 12 foot. So if you have the choice, get a 14 foot. Get bigger. Bigger's always better. But we're going to build our stake bins on each side. The mud flaps are a little too close to the tire, so we're moving them closer to the tire so we can get the boxes in. So we've got 36-inch and 30 boxes. These are our 2-foot boxes. Doing 11 in the front, 18 in the back, so they're angled so they don't slide out. There's our box. We're going to put a divider, the 30-inch, and 3s. The divider will stop so those 3s don't go all the way in. We got drain holes for water and our concrete the right way.
Dawn still black, diesel hum, no turning back. The C4 hits and the steel comes alive. Hands on the phones, we're built to survive. Blood on my knuckles, dust in my lungs. Every man here was born to be strong. Same old clay, one brotherhood. We work the same way. Machines start growling, sparks take flight. The ground shakes hard, feels alive tonight. Steel and rhythm, sweat and sound. We built this nation. Across these states, the story's told of men who pour while the concrete's cold. From Texas heat to Carolina rain, we leave our mark in every grain. Calloused hands, hearts that stay. We carve our creed. Talk
toolboxes on. Everything's painted. Expansion, handles, levels, toolbox. This is our spray can holder. Put a little shelf in there just for miscellaneous, dowels, whatever you want. Steak bins, everything's painted. Rods, buckets. There was no room, so this is where we had to put the tie down. So shovels, picks, short rods, miscellaneous mud boots, 2-foot stakes. Here's the other toolbox. This toolbox went the other way. We flipped it upside down so the lid would open up. Otherwise you can't grab it. Then we had to make this handle so it keeps it up with the chain on it so it didn't bind up when you close it. Not too bad. Same one. The other one's the same on the other side. This is a 5-foot box so you can get bowl floats in. Couldn't get bowl floats and Fresnos in these boxes, so we got these. The other tie down, so there's no other place to put it. That's it. That's our build. This took 5 days for 2 of us to do, me and Tommy. Not too bad. Oh, we did these hooks are for knee boards to slide in. They'll kind of just stay right here. Planning on doing a couple pipes here for other laser legs, the tripod, brooms, stuff like that, but we didn't have any yet. But that's our build. Like I said, 5-day build. We cut all, designed everything, but it went good. Please like, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video.